We're going to do some logic word problem series for the next few weeks. All right, let's start off with the first one. And all the topics that we're going to cover is proportional reasoning, linear thinking, and multi-step logic, but just think of it as logic puzzles, okay? Here we go. A summer snack mix has almonds and Smarties in a ratio of 5 to 3. If the bag contains 64 pieces, how many are almonds and Smarties? So understand what this means. 5 to 3, that means for every 5 almonds, you have 3 Smarties, S. The total in that snack mix for the first batch, there are 8 of them. So how many of the 8 are in the 64 pieces? That's 64 divided by 8. So you will have 8 packs, and in each one of them, you have 5 almonds and 3 Smarties. Now that you have this, you just very simply, you have each one of them, the 5 almonds in each pack. There are 8 packs of that, so that will give you 40. That's 40 almonds, okay? And then for the Smarties, you have 3. Let's call that S. You multiply that by 8 because there are 8 packs of that, and that's 24 Smarties. Now, is this the only way to do this problem? No, it's not. You can actually use another way, which is the ratio 5 to 3. You can basically do it freestyle. So you say, okay, we got 5 plus 3, and then you keep doing that. Add another 5 plus 3 until the total that you have in here will be 64 pieces. Okay, and you notice that there will be 40 almonds and 24 Smarties. All right, let's look at another question. A paddleboard rental shop charges $12 flat fee plus $4 per hour. If you only have $28, how long can you rent the board for? All right, well, we have this $12 flat fee and then $4 per hour. That's the rate. So again, a couple of ways of doing this problem, but you decide. So we'll start off with the first hour. So we have $4 per hour plus the $12 flat fee. That's your initial hour will cost you $16. But after that, this is hour one. But then after that, you just have to add 4 in each. $4 extra, 4 again, and then 4 again. Now every time you add, because you only have $28, right? So you notice that altogether you get $28. So how many hours altogether? We got hour 2, hour 3, hour 4. This is the long way of doing it, and that's fine. The other way is that you look at your $28. This is method 2. And in method 2, what you do is that you say, okay, well, the flat fee is $12. So you take the $12 out of your $28. Well, they have $16 left. Well, out of the $16, how many hours, which is $4 per hour you have to pay, you can use? Well, 16 divided by 4, that is 4 hours. That's another way of doing that. So you can do it just adding all up, or you can do it illogically this way. All right, next question. A tub of ice cream warms from minus 18 degrees Celsius to negative 6 degrees Celsius. How many degrees did the temperature increase? Now, it's a weird thing to say, but it is true. This ice cream went from negative 18 to negative 6, and that means it's warming up, right? So how do we do that? So the difference between negative 18 and negative 6, this is the difference that you have to figure out. And to do that, you just have to remember that you start with negative 6, and then you have to subtract away the negative 18. The difference will be negative 6 plus 18, which is 12 degrees Celsius. That is the temperature has been increased. Now, is that the only way to do this problem? No, it's not. Let's use a thermometer setup where we have, here we go, and you went up to minus 6, right? So from minus 18, how many units did you go up? You just have to count. So minus 17, minus 16, and you keep going up until you get negative 6. You notice that the difference between the two, you're going up by 12 degrees. And that's the same as that one. Either one, it's a logic problem, so you can use whatever you want. Okay, let's look at another question. So this one, it's a lemonade stand. On Monday, Aisha sold 24 cups. On Tuesday, she sold 50% more than Monday. On Wednesday, she sold 12 fewer than Tuesday. How many cups did she sell in total over the 3 days? Very good. So on Monday, let's go Monday, that's 24 cups, right? But on Tuesday, it says she sold 50% more than Monday. First of all, what is 50% more? That means originally was 24 and then plus another 50% of 24, right? Now, here you got to be careful with that. This 50% is half or 0.5, it doesn't matter. So 24 plus 50% of 24 or 0.5 is 0.5 times 24. This is the translation here. This right here is this right there. Okay, whenever you say of, it means multiplication. All right, so total, what do you get? You get 24 plus 12, that is 36. That's how much on Tuesday Aisha sold. All right, now let's look at Wednesday. On Wednesday, she sold 12 fewer than Tuesday. Well, 12 fewer, that is 36 fewer, means subtract away 12. So that would give you 24. So what do we have? These are all cups. Okay, so we have 24, 36, 24 again. Add them all up, get 84 cups in total Aisha sold. All right, and make sure to come back to check out the next set of questions in the logic and problem solving series. All right, until next time.